Alright, so troubleshooting a interesting issue having with this vehicle. Door locks and things don't work from the driver door. If you scan the network, you get a trouble code that is U0199. It is a door control module communication failure. And lo and behold, when you pull back the driver's side boot, we've got right there a couple wires broken. See that? So I'm going to try and remove the rest of this boot, see if I can repair those wires and see if we get our communication back. Hang tight. There it is. And now that this whole thing's removed, I can unplug this connectors all together, and I'll be able to work with the wiring a little bit better and show how it gets repaired. So be back in a second. Easy way to get these connectors out. So the way that these connectors remove is supposed to go through the connector this direction by pressing that little latch tab down. The connector comes this way towards the camera. I want it to go the other way, so I undid the tab right here, unclipped it. I'm going to spin it, the whole connector 180 degrees, slide it back through, and this whole assembly will come off. So now I got a lot more room to get in there and fix these two wires that are busted. I'm going to try to even get some more room if I can finagle this boot back in the door, just like that. There's my two damaged wires. If I really wanted to, I could pull the door panel and get to the module itself, but I'm just doing a quick fix right now. There's my wires. Just on one plug. What I'm going to do to fix these, I'm just going to use two pink butt connectors. I'm not going to solder it. This doesn't need it right here. Just strip away the insulation. Don't want to damage any strands. Just make sure you use the right size on wire strippers. Okay, now I'm gonna just test it, rescan the system. So now right off the bat, look, we got some functionality back that wasn't there before. Driver door open, dome lights on. That's all different. Let's see if that fixed my radio problem. My radio wasn't cutting off when the door was open and the key turned off. Oh, that's it. Fixed. Alright, so okay. Well, either way, it definitely something's working a lot better, so that's good. Driver door open, the lights are on. Look at that. Two broke wires. You Chrysler guys out there, it's not the first time I've seen this.